Hi, my name is Zhen, and today I will talking about this paper. And this paper is come from Japan, and this is the first paper to talk about the devil ray and the capture and feed them, and they will mating. Yeah. Okay. This is the today's the spectacle devil ray. It is so cute, but now it is in danger. It on the IUCN endangered list, and it made its main strait is the tuna bycatch and the hunting. Sorry. The hunting for meat, and in the wild, every devil ray needs to 7 to 9 years to mature, and they only have 1 per pregnancy. So they are very 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 vulnerable. Okay, so they not very many data to melting their embryo. And in Japan, they captive the devil ray in the Buri Gochi is Japan capture, and they put the devil ray in the sea pen, and the sea pen is 10 degree 5 meter, and their food, they feed the devil ray the North Pacific straw and Sakura stream. And another, they put the devil ray into the intermediate tank, and after 85 days, they put the devil ray into the Okasa aquarium, into the Pacific tank. Okay, the male in this time, in the transfer time, and it's dick wise about 145 centimeter, and the female about 116 centimeter. And how we measure the maturity? Okay, this is the male's it calls clasper, and another like this called the privic. Okay, so how to we measure the maturity? We need to we can see A, B, C, D. It's a different time to picture the photograph. And A, the clasper is very short, and to D, clasper is longer than this plastic. Okay, so we need to use the this ratio, and okay. So we can see the clasper longs about this to here. Okay. Okay, so how did we know the what age how age they can mating? So we use this growth model to know about the the devil race they have how many years about. So and this model is come from 55 wild race. Okay, so in the transfer, just in 2015 November, we could use this model to know estimate about 1.8 years old. And this is female was stimulate 2.4 years old. And actually, in the get mating, the male go to the 203 kilometer and about 70.7 years old, and the female about 204 kilometer, about 8.9 years old. Okay, how we know the embryo in utero? First, we have two ways. And first way, we use the camera and we take a picture and know what the devil rays they belly, or in the mating, it have a wild on here, so it use the it use camera to take a picture. Okay, and another one is underwater ultrasound probe, and one person fitted, and the female ray will come back to the water phase, and the probe will touch her back and know the baby in the utero. Okay, is the indicator of the male mature. This in 2016, and is very small, and in the in this way, in 2021 August, it has very long, and in this way, in this time, the ratio is 1.8. So 1.8 is the indicator of a key. Okay, the mating behavior have 6 stages, and the intonation and endurance and evasion and pre-compilation, processing, and compilation and separation. Okay, in here, the belly to belly, just like the picture C. The belly to belly, and the male will insert into the female. Okay, in the way, the female will bite the female, and this way can let us know the in the wild, we can use this way to figure to know which is the mating. Okay, so this is the unsound ultrasound to see the uterus. This is female's uterus, and about 350 days, it is too big. It is too big to see the babies. Okay, so finally, the male about 104 kilogram. This baby is born, but in not survey because of the acidosis. Okay, so male, we can know the discussion male clasper ratio 1.8 is a reliable maturity maker. Left side beating wood and healing. Inferred wild mating seasons. About 464 day birth in interval. 130 days embryo delay. So we can know the sperm storage likely. Actual suggests about 334 days. Okay, it's the conclusion. First, complete reproducing record. Later, muting. So slow reproducing. So the devil ray until vulnerable about overvision. Non-invasive method. Accurate as the research platform. Thank you.
I want to ask about the method and material. You show a picture about a red, and you can the length of the 我要怎么讲那个名字 Okay.
This one?
Yes. Yes, this one. And I wonder why in the picture there is only one of it, but in the 4 ABCD pictures, I see 2 of them. I wonder if it is different or which one should we measure?
The picture is true, but because this is from AI to let everybody knows the color means the clasper, so we need to for picture.
So in fact, we would measure 2 of the
Yes,
clasper.
and they both will elegant.
Okay, thank you.
I want to ask, Ray had 2 claspers, so can they mating 2 females in the same time?
No, because they belly by belly, so they only insert one.
Oh, okay, thank you.
You mentioned that the baby died by accident, and can you explain more about the detail and what can we study about it?
Because in this picture, they said the baby just it can't move. It can move. So the S in her in its body, so it is dead after it born 10 hours.
Zhen, she chose a very interesting paper, so it's very nice presentation material. You see, it's very interesting. And first, I would like to comment on your stage performance. So you use pointer quite often, and I hope next time you can look at them. And I think you need to improve your fluency. Okay. Yeah, you need to practice many times in order to speak without breaks in between your sentence. Yeah, because it's very interesting story, and if you can present it very fluently, that will make it even more interesting. Okay, and you prepare your slides also very nicely. You see, with very a lot of images and cartoons to help you understand her story, and of course the paper itself has many pictures for her. But there are several pronunciation issues. So here you read mature, and this one is okay, very nice. You use icon, and these you use AI supported images. Although I wonder where is Ray? There, okay, just kidding. Okay, so where is the devil Ray? Here. Oh, okay, yeah, you need to train your AI. Okay. And this read 10 times 10 times 10 times 5. Okay. So these are good supporting image, and I would also say this is good supporting image, even though there's probably some mistakes, because I didn't understand this picture when I read the paper. So I'm glad you explained it. And then, yeah, these are all supporting image. And this is also nicely explained without too much text, so it's very easy to follow. And this is also nicely presented, and this read ultrasound. And, okay, this is okay. And this read copulation. And you have, it's nice that you provide a short explanatory notes. It's very helpful. But since the authors, they actually, I think some of them, because you only explain this one, right? But A, B, and D, they actually correspond to some of the stages. So please also use this image. And this one is also nicely presented. And this one also good. I'm glad you make it very large. Okay, and this slide has some bug because I feel that you only explained it very shortly, and because you always read things that doesn't really match what you write. Sometimes you read kilometer. I don't know if you are aware of that. So here you put cross. I don't know what you mean. Okay. Not even after Sunny asks you the question, still I don't know what you mean. Maybe you mean it's dead or what? Please write it down. Okay? And also, maybe you can emphasize its size, because compared to its mother, I think it's quite large, right? Yeah, think of human beings. So it's a quite large baby. So it's sad that it's dead, but maybe you write down some keywords here. And you need to explain this term. Okay, so this is nice, very specific, good enough. So I think overall, you choose a very nice material. So, and your PPT is nice. Improve your stage performance next time. Okay, thank you. It's a nice talk. Thank you, Zhen.